Today it's the 21st. Today. And oh, I just had some salad and the cucumber is already repeating on me. The kids are all in school today. I have spent all morning recipe testing. So I've made a load of stuff that I'm going to give to like school mums and stuff so they can test and see what they think. And then I'm going to hopefully open orders in the next week or two. I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm going to do it where... I don't want to fucking hold this. That's even worse light, isn't it? What about up there? You just... That's where you're staying. That's where you're staying. I think I'm going to do it where I'll do like a different selection of flavours every week. And there'll be like 10 boxes available each week. Just to start with, just to sort of ease myself back into it. And then I will do more options as I get more confident with it and more oh, my brain's not working. Let's do a tarot draw instead. Let's do that. I am manifesting my desires. I am manifesting my desires. And there's a couple of my friends that will be watching this that know what I am manifesting. So, I am manifesting my desires. It is happening. I feel like this is a sign. Manifestation. I need to go and edit because I've filmed a Gooster box yesterday, but I haven't finished editing it yet. And I need to get that up for today. And I need to edit yesterday's vlog. So, I'll talk to you in a bit. I haven't filmed anything else. I can't even remember what I told you earlier on. I made a load of chocolate stuff. Picked the kids up from school. We all had dinner with spaghetti bolognese because I made it this morning. Foxy's already in bed. It's like 5:34. He's already asleep. He's on the verge of either getting a cold or getting better. And he's just knackered, so he's just gone to bed now. So I'm going to edit because I've just filmed the Q&A that was requested. I've just had a bath. I'm going to read my book. The girls are downstairs. Yeah. That's all there is for today.